I'm in Aguas Calientes or Machu Picchu Pueblo, and I'm going to take you somewhere that I don't know if I've ever taken you before. I know I've been a lot and filmed here, but I don't know if I ever posted anything. So let's go to the waterfalls at Alcamayo. Alcamayo is about as far on the edge of this little pueblo as you could possibly imagine. But it is definitely worth the trip. A lot of climbing involved. There used to be a set of wooden stairs that I hated, but I don't see them. Maybe I just don't remember and they're farther ahead. So anyway, you do a lot of climbing. I'm already out of breath and I'm just getting started. Can't tell you how much I hate these steps, but getting up here is more than worth it. I remember once not too long ago that there was a guy on the internet, and you know how stupid people are on the internet, who tried to tell me that Machu Picchu was not in the jungle. Obviously he hadn't been here even though he said he had. Or he was just being a troll and lying. There's lots of those on Facebook and social media. I've got to be honest. I think just coming up here and walking in the jungle is more beautiful to me than the waterfalls. Although, as you'll see in a minute, if the waterfalls have any water, they're pretty nice too. The river you've been hearing, I believe, actually is called the Rio Alcamayo. It's kind of I would probably actually call it a large stream rather than a river. But everything here is called the Rio. I think I heard a Peruvian national bird, the cock of the rock up there. It is absolutely phenomenal, but I probably would never find it. It is so beautiful. Did you hear that? Still climbing, but at least the climbing has gotten a lot easier, not nearly as steep as it was at the start. takes about 10 minutes to get up to the check-in site, the control booth. Different people live here different times of the year, so I think they just hire whoever wants to stay here and work for a while. This is the control point. I don't know if they serve food here now. Looks like they've done quite a bit of expansion since the last time I was here. Let's see what the view is like here. This little section was closed for a long time. Oh yeah, you can go over here and see the waterfall that was closed off. Oh, that's beautiful down there. Forgot to mention that it costs 20 soles to get in, unless you're Peruvian, and that includes Peruvian residents. It costs you 10 soles. It's probably a little high compared to a lot of places, but I think this is one that is most definitely worth it. It is so hard to film in the jungle because when the sun is bright, you get these incredible variances between brilliant sunlight peeking through and the dark shadows at the jungle floor. I hear a bird I don't know. Maybe I'll get to see it. The good thing about this Pocket 3 camera, besides its size and unbelievable quality, is that it does have a fantastic dynamic range, meaning it'll handle dark and bright spots all in the same scene. Okay, the first one was okay, but I really hated to bother the couple down there. They had it all to themselves and apparently had been swimming a little bit, so I left them alone. Ah, this is the highest one. It's beautiful. I understand you can go even higher, but not today because there are dark, dark clouds up above. Definitely rain up there, coming this way. As I said, well, this is relatively expensive compared to a lot of tourist sites. I think it is more than worth it. I'm not spending a whole lot of time here because I hate to interrupt the people that are already there before me, but you come up here and just relax, bring a blanket and sit back on the rocks and relax with the sound of the river. Anyone who knows me knows I'd probably rather go off trail when I'm in the rainforest, but sometimes walking on these nice easy trails is okay too. I might beat the rain if it comes, but definitely some sunlight, and I got to visit with a really nice young couple from Canada. Really wonderful people. Canadians always are. One thing I would recommend is watch your steps here. Woo! There's a good example. Perfect timing. It's really humid right now, and I just stepped on a rock and almost slid enough to fall, but whew, okay. Besides the lots and lots of stones sticking up and this inconsistent steps, it's easy to trip and fall here. Or at the very least, just trip and stumble. You do have to look down most of the time. And that's why I suggest stopping and looking around. Because if you're constantly looking where you're stepping, which is what you need to do, you're missing an awful lot. So stop and take a look around you. The views here are tremendous, just like they are anywhere in Peru. Oh!